task 5, main idea, objective 2.06. It's all about the main idea and using it, a paragraph, and finding the things to make the main idea sentence. Not to find it, but to make your own. And we have a paragraph written here by our lovely Abby Vanna. And it's the first paragraph in the story. So you could type this into the smartboard software, or you can just project it onto. If you type it in there, then you can bring it up. And the object is to go, let me try that one again. The object is to read it together and go over it. You've already taught it once before, but just to come back to it. And the kids are going to pick out the words that are important. I'm sorry, I can't stop playing with that thing. They're going to pick out the words that are important to the paragraph. And we picked, for example, you could highlight
and you
fall.
can show them how to highlight on the smartboard. Farmers, people, decorations.
And they can pick, I mean, you can pick as many different words as you want, and then the object is to take these words and make your sentence from that. So what we could do is, if it was in the notebook software itself, you click on the word and you drag it to the new page. And then you pull up the next page and all you have are those words. And then you can decide on your sentence based on the paragraph. They're obviously going to have a sheet with it, so if they need to see it. And then you come up with a sentence that tells about the paragraph, which we came up with.
In the fall, farmers and other people use scarecrows in many different ways. And it said that it'd be a good idea to have them write a sentence for each paragraph. So we would just model the first one together, and then we thought we would group them and send them back to do their own for the first one, the second one, and the third one. And then I think we said 2 groups would do each paragraph, and then we'd share. So we'd have 2 different sentences for the first paragraph, and we could kind of say, well, this one's good because of this, and this one's good because of this, and if we need to, form a new one using different ways.
And then we thought of, this was included in, the graphic organizer was included in the folder, and it's for each paragraph we could adjust it a little bit so that you could put the scarecrows and then have each paragraph in a different one. And then the idea at the very end was to make a summary, but we were just going to use this as their assessment. Did they pick the most important things about the paragraph? And they can highlight it on their own paper so you at least know they're doing something.
That's all.